Okay, this is my 1963 Lawn Boy Gardener, fully functional, model 210. And this is my newest acquisition, which is a 1962 Hobby Gardener with all the original attachments. Right there, it's got the edger, it's got the two weed eating attachments. That actual head on there swivels sideways, and then you attach that thing on the bottom there with onto this thing right here, and it spins vertically and chews up all the weeds. And I purchased this one about a week ago off of Craigslist. The guy that owned it bought it from an estate sale. Sorry. It seems to run pretty good. I'll let you guys give it a listen. It's pretty quiet. '62 Lawn Boy Hobby Gardener. Purring like a kitten. Gotta shut her down the old school way. Now we get to the Lawn Boy Gardener, not the Hobby Gardener, but the actual Gardener. This is a 63. It's fully functional. Generally starts 1 or 2 poles. See the exhaust coming out of there? Got dual exhaust. That's pretty cool for the 60s. This is the air cleaner way up here. As you can see, tines turn just fine. Little knob here you pull. Kind of noisy compared to the other one. That's my, again, 1962 Hobby Gardener with all the original attachments. Purchased on Craigslist in Minnesota. And a 1963 Lawn Boy Gardener. Seems to be pretty rare. Purchased at an auction for 10 bucks. Pretty good deal. Took a lot more to get it going, but well worth it. I enjoy both of them. They work great. They're nice and small and they're light. Of course, that one's much lighter, but this one is a nice little tiller too. I really enjoy them both. Lawn Boy, you know, we're ahead of our time. I mean, when you really think about it, if you look right here, there's an adjustment. You loosen this up. This just spins. There's a handle here. You spin that loose, and then this whole head will pivot. I'll show you. Just loosen the attachment here, or this adjustment. Let's see, am I loosening or tightening? Oh, I must be Polish today. Ugh, sorry if I offended anybody. And then this whole head will swivel, so you can put on the weeding attachment. So it sits like that. Then the weeding attachment attaches here, goes down, spins, you know, clockwise, I'm sure, or counterclockwise, I don't know. And that's what eats or chews up the weeds. So it's got the big weeding attachment there and the little one right there. And it's got the edging blade. So there you go, YouTube. That's my video of my 62 and 63 Lawn Boy Gardeners. Well, one's a Hobby Gardener, but thank you for your time. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.